Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Agata, and in today's video I want to show you my branding process. We're gonna do a 3D mockups for matcha brand called Meraki Matcha. And I'm not a brand designer, I'm actually a UI UX designer, but I'd love to challenge myself and let's see what happens. I always start by sketching ideas on paper. There's something incredibly satisfying about putting pencil to paper, and it really helps me flesh out my initial thoughts and ideas. It's the foundation of my creative process. For this project, I wanted a fun design but not childish. I'm a huge fan of a minimal Japanese style and vintage cartoon, so I'll explore this direction. Since this is just a concept, I designed a product that I would personally buy if I saw it on the shelf. Let's face it, current matcha branding can be quite boring, so I wanted to inject some excitement and personality into it. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start sketching some illustrations in Adobe Illustrator. This program is fantastic for creating precise work artwork, so this is where magic starts to take from. I experimented with different elements like playful characters and clean, minimal backgrounds. The combination really helps to strike the balance between fun and sophisticated. I think we have a couple of nice concepts, so the next step I'm gonna head into Pacdorę.com. They have nearly 4,000 options to choose from, starting from like box packaging to milk packaging and even the iPhones. The variety is incredible and it really helps visualizing how your design will look on a different product. Not only the digital side, but this is the one place where you have all those different mockups. Like if you're designing, for example, a box packaging and then cartoon and then some labels, usually I have to download so many different Photoshop files and each of them is different style, which is quite annoying. As you guys can see, there is loads of mockups. It's nearly 4,000 mockups to choose from. The thing I like the most about Pacdorę is that you have a die line for each of those. Because you can't open PDFs in Figma, I'm gonna just first open those die lines in Adobe Illustrator and then copy and paste them in Figma because I love designing in Figma. I think like as every UI UX designer, Figma is number one for me. In Figma, I played around with different layout options, colors and typography. I wanted to create a cohesive brand identity that stands out on the shelf. I explored several color palettes, looking for the perfect shades to evoke the essence of the matcha, fresh, vibrant green and subtle earthy tones. Typography is also crucial, so I tested different fonts to find the one that complements the overall aesthetics. After experimenting with various options, I ended up with two strong concepts that I wanted to finalize. So I went back to Pacdorę.com and I used their 3D modeling tool. This tool is amazing for visualizing how the design will look in real life. Good news for you, I managed to get a discount code from Pacdorę just for you. The code is DESIGNELY and you get a 20% off. I played with the outside and inside packaging, adjusting the scene, background, lighting to get the perfect look. Pacdorę 3D modeling tool is super intuitive and offers a lot of flexibility. You can change the scene, tweak the lighting, or even customize the background to create stunning visuals. I rendered a few still 3D images for each concept, making sure to capture all angles and details. This step is crucial for presenting the final design to clients or for marketing purposes. As you can see, you can export in many different formats, including video, which is absolutely my favorite. Video provides a dynamic way to showcase your designs and really bring them to life. As well, like if you're creating your portfolio, it's better to always show the video than a couple of still images. And not only for branding, but I also recommend this if you're designing like app or website, to not only give one still screenshot of this particular page, but to render like the long scroll or the animation or the interaction between the pages or between the states or like overall the use of the actual product, not only one still image. So this is another idea how you can implement this for UI UX design. You can just render a video in Pacdorę. So back to the branding, I did the same for the second concept, and at the end I decided I will go with the more funny design and I added the stone background into it. I think it looks absolutely stunning, and the next step I would do if I was a real client, I would obviously create a bright guideline, brand presentation, explain the choices why I decided to pursue this concept over other ones, and put everything together. If you want to try Pacdorę yourself, you can use my code DESIGNELY for 20% off. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned anything from it. If you have any questions, drop the comment down below. See you next one.